Hello everyone. Today I'll talk about the Gannzilla. Okay, what is this software? Gannzilla is a Russian tool with this view. In this video I try to introduce Gannzilla briefly. Gannzilla is a software that used in Gann method calculation and also in financial astrology. How you can find and use the Gannzilla? It's very easy. First, download Gannzilla from this site and then unzip it. Next, there is no need to installation, just run gannzilla.exe and use the software. For the first time, the environment of the program is very complex and it's maybe scary, but you can turn off different sections very easily. Each section has visible tick. You can just off the visibility. Okay, just that. Now a brief introduction of different sections. The first one is layouts. In the layouts, the Gann score of 9 can be visible. I will talk about the application of Gann score of 9 in the next videos, but briefly with Gann score of 9 you can find the resistance and the support lines in the chart. Also, there are some other tools, but the most important one is the square. Uh, the clockwise should be on for our work. In the size, you can change the size of the square. Here is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But you can add and reduce the size. Data type can be price, as you can see here, date, time, and other types. Again, don't worry, I will talk about the details later. Value is the starting point of the square. And you can see here is 1. Find is to search the number. And increment shows the increment value of rotation. For example, we can set it to 10 or other numbers, but we usually use 1. In highlight, you can change the view of the square, but we usually use the default highlights. This part shows the layers. You will find the application of these layers later. You can turn on the layers with left click and turn off them with right click of the mouse. Next section is a protractor. Protractor shows a circle with 360 angles. The clockwise option should be turned on in this work. We can combine protractor with square of 9, and also it can use for cosmology. In this part, the counter, you can find the angle between 2 points, like this one. The next section is chronometer. When you visualize a circle of time or data scale can be shown. This circle used in cosmology too. It can also combine with layers to show the important dates of each chart. The next section is cosmogram. This is the second important section of Gannzilla. As the name shows, this section is the main part for financial astrology. In the financial astrology, you can use the motion of the stars and planets to predict the movements of price in the charts. As you can see, there is a circle of zodiac, and also the place and the motion of the planets in the zodiac will be shown. You can set the chart from here, the dates and time settings from these parts, and here you can see the list of the planets. Of course, Sun, Moon, Ceres and Eris are not planets, but in cosmology we call all of them as a planets. The planets can be divided in three groups: short, middle and long terms. Aspect shows the important angles between planets. There are different aspects and each aspect can be affected on the price of each chart. Also, the angles can be studied in inspector parts. Figure section is used for layers and settings. Finally, in colors, you can do some settings in Gannzilla. For example, background color and so on. Again, this is just an introduction. I will talk about the important details of each section later. In the next video, I start the score of 9, the meaning, and after that the application of it to find the support and resistance lines. Thanks for watching.